Hey, planes. Gonna have some little bit of plane spotting here. Got some plane spotting going on here. We have our first plane over there. The striper. We got the striper over here. The striper over there. Coming around. An airplane over there. We're gonna have. Oh, there's another striper. There's one behind. Ooh, there's a striper coming behind them. There's a striper right there, right there behind them. There's a striper back there behind them, everybody. Got behind them. Two stripers right here. One right. And there's one like on the top of the screen, and then there's one like behind it, like on the bottom of the screen. It's here. Got this striper. And we got that striper back there. Well, we got other planes coming in. We got Airbus 321 coming in from Charlotte. He'll be coming in from Charlotte. I wish maybe I would have wanted to be live with this, but I'm not. But I'm not live though. But I'm not. But that is a. This wasn't didn't actually be a live one. Got everybody around here. Can really see that. You can actually see the stripe. You can actually see the striper up there. You can actually see him up there a little bit. Up there, and we got, yeah. And if there was the one back there. Can't really see it now. There you go. We got two there. We have planes, not live plane spotting, but it's not really actually. Oh, there's another one over there. There's another striper down there. I see another striper going the other way. I see a striper going the other way down there. Down there going another different direction. There's another one. Oh, we got three stripers here right now. Got three stripers right now. Got these three stripers here. I really have to talk. I do have to really talk. And I really would have to be having to really talk, or else this video will. Oh, there's another one up here. There's another one up there going down to Newark. There's one heading down to Newark right there. And we got that one heading down to Newark up there. Alright. It might be a 757, but I don't know. We got all these planes. I got another striper back there. I see another striper over there. Don't see it on the screen. Oh wait, there it is. See just a little bit right there. See it like in the right corner, in like in the on the right of the screen, a little tiny bit. You can see it there. All these stripers out here. We got all these stripers. Airbus 321 hasn't. The Airbus 321 is not here yet. But oh wait, I see him coming. Here he comes now. Airbus 321. Here comes the big Airbus 321. Here he comes. An Airbus 321. American Airlines in from Charlotte. This is an Airbus 321. The last time I've seen an Airbus 321 was here at American Airlines. The last different Airbus 321 I've seen of a different airline was Frontier and Delta. Alright, there he went. There's some Airbus 321 right there. I might have to call it. It might have to be done now. It might be done now. It might have to be done now, so... Might have to be done now. Or do a second part. Probably do a part 2. Probably then do like a part 2. So, yeah.